penny, me and my sister Penny, a year sister Afia Schwarzenegger, about Papa be and more fair, no one could not say in Chenam, Afia Schwarzenegger was so canon, no show or bed countries and sister and what papa, or better house would shower that power would tramana coma. Tony, and now Afia tram no new UTV for Enya and Tawantawa Kakra. Only wound to me, and tell my uncle was say, yes, sister Afia. Ye jelly ni be 10 years ne so na me lawyers ada romantic ye to charge no na also time was a problem ketenkete na only want to me ye solve your problem na ono why ye no operation baako en nan ya wo gi na home e wo ne ma me kan twa ne ma me ye nkrakra de ma na ho beto no o hwa na nadafo baako e friend say Afia na wo he say si ade asam na eda woni wonto mi ntem na ye hu panti baby a wo hye no hye ni ye pa baby na se wo ye otipa ye be chiu Afia se o twantro e che na danfo te hwe me hye Aburi he ya hotel kitwa adum na me hye wo se endu 30 minutes ni e post no se Afia Schwarzenegger e hye Aburi wadwane akohye Aburi why na o ka kire no na danfo a wo gini die ne koba na o ka kire so o hye Aburi na so no hye Aburi baby a enti wi asese wo ho a aya nanfo a ye ne omo nam no aya ye hwe mo yie papa besi ne na danfo no one na ye tinton tan a na danfo na nkasa so wo dwene ho kura won ti ase me bisa sese a nanfo no kura sese ye ne omo nante sen enti ne be ya ne sen nanfo na Afia se ye ne omo nante na so ye hwisi ya dwen na ye santo ya no na de ka ewo ye nanfo se because niema papa bi ba wa brabom na so ko bie wa no ka kire wa danfo bi pa mesro saa de ni nya akose honhom bi ne atagu ye nanfo no so wo ye dio nyina on bebo ni nyina agu a wan hwe ne yi a ye die pa de undi bi enam nanfo semti ye ntie sister Fiamra sisia.
You were cited for contempt of God. Satan my oppression battery. Anna. The initial sentence was for me to go to jail for 10 days. And my lawyers were appealing it, obviously, on so many grounds. Uti. So this particular person called me. Offering me, oh, Afia. Baby, I will be a shopper. No, what you dear? Oh, the work I got to. They. And I lied. Me catch any pakon and say, oh, me wear brio. Me wear brie. Oh, my baby shop hotel because I wear bria. Me de me who see intimidate. Se kumasi no mo hwehwe mi o sa akra no mo hwehwe mi o. One, that person is so stupid. That person is so stupid because me, I had the bench warrant at 2 meetings, so I don't care who you are. I won't show you where I am. But the minute I said to the person, "Send me where Bruno," the next minute, no, almost the higher story. Because I'm paying your friend Chris and tell the higher story. Afia Schwarzenegger is hiding in little acres in Aburi. Meaning baby as a little acres no cry walk. So little acres hotel bizarre. And I know who I told that lie to. Sani pa kwa menini nkasabi mono kwa jeno onim dia wodi ayeme. So if I had showed the person where I was, and this person that called me, I'm telling you, is a friend. So I am telling you today, the minute you stop telling your best friends about your plans, your enemies will not know your plans again. May catch you. Time I YouTube assembly by and with contempt. I assume go phone go to yes can I mean quite them because me punipano. Nipa na yo se nipa nu nkotena TV so ko ka asem koro ye wi ayese 9 de omo nko ba ko de onko dem sa time no nipa da se ni fa phone Afia ye bompa ye ma pa baby a hye ne de hye ho obi an hu baby a wo I hope so we are safe there na wo kuma asem so that me we bri I was in my mother's house. I wasn't hiding anywhere. I was in my mother's house. I mean, my mom me because my operation. Sata my hair transplant. My me koto dwe. Chese. My operation that brought for me emotionally. I was in my mother's house. Na me wo me mama ho. E wo kumase. But I told the person. So me wa bro. Oh. Hotel kitu we be crying on my bed show we be I can so mo die. Or my dream so. The next minute, the person I said this to was a friend. It wasn't an acquaintance, it was a friend. The next minute, Ghana Web natural story. Right there. This is how I control the media and make a fool out of them. That's how I control the media, make a fool. Goes by the name of, it says she's not funny, was found hiding in a hotel in April. And I can tell you, I swear on my life, since I may call Aburi, I call my birthday shoot now. I will hotel Tvgh in the hotel. Since I may call, I call my birthday shoot early February. I will Tvgh. Since then, it be seen there. Menko ayi mensa krasa me koyade ho Aburi be pona se kwa menko ase na. But I confidently told a friend that Michelle Aburi, and in less than 5 hours it became headline story because my friend thought I was stupid like ono. And say me Jimmy say ono enti nka me de me hu sia me catch them down for. Ade anyame de ma me ba wiase eyi nyansa. Ne nyansa anyame de ma me ba wiase. Sometimes I wonder, so what manner of wisdom is this? Because it's not even brag. I am too intelligent. The way you brag, I am the rate at which my dream bet me a do more fast. Because it wasn't something I planned. It wasn't something I had planned. But the minute my friend asked me, I just told her, me what breed? Oh, I share breed where funeral. Me share breed. Until forget me don't move me that me what breed. At less than 6 hours. Me then no panel. Now your front page story. Now front page story. Just so no.
And then your bed Afia kasa de futu abrena fofo. Ekwe ntwa makra.